Okay, guys, so I'm gonna do this on the computer so that you guys can see how Desmos looks like on the computer. So you can just open up a Google page and type in the word Desmos, okay, and just hit enter, and something like this should pop up. Okay, so you're able to click on the Desmos Beautiful Math and start graphing. Then you have the part where you plug in your function here, and then you're going to have the graph that's automatically going to pop up here. Okay, so just the example that I used on the phone Desmos, for those of you who are able to download it, is just 3, and I'm using either the ones down here or I'm using these up here. Okay, so I would, let me see, let's erase it, and then so I'm gonna try to zoom out so that you guys can see. So I would do like 3 times, and then say I want to do a fraction, I would do like parentheses 1 divided by, and look at what the divided by does. It pops up the fraction all by itself. So 1 divided by 2, that's 1/2, and then I go ahead and click out here to close off my parentheses. And to get an exponent up there, I would have to use a to the b. That makes my exponent, and then I can do to the x power, and then we have our graph. Okay, so what numbers to use, because we're going to look for a table, and you can do settings and go to table. Now, are those the only numbers that I can use? I kind of have to go to my graph and then see what it is that I have. I know that the one that we gave you guys has like 20, so I know that I couldn't use anything above the 20, right? So there's no point here, so I'm going down to see my next point, and it would be that one. So I would start from -2, 12. I would graph -1, 6. I would graph 0, 3, 1 and 1.5, 2 and 0.75, and then I really can't graph that. So then basically that's what I want in my table, and if I look over here, that's what I have. Okay, all right guys, hope this helped.